Master the N dash. Range indications simplified. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode in our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of punctuation, specifically the use of the N dash. More precisely, we will focus on how to use the N dash to indicate ranges. Let's unravel the mystery of this compact but versatile punctuation mark. First off, it's important to know what an N dash is. The N dash is a punctuation mark that is slightly wider than a hyphen but narrower than an M dash. In print, it's about as wide as the letter N, hence the name N dash. We mainly use it to represent a range or span of numbers, dates, or time. Unlike hyphens, N dashes do not link words or parts of words together. Now, let's delve into the main topic, using the N dash to indicate ranges. Whenever you need to show a range or span of numbers, such as pages in a book, years, scores, or time, the N dash is your go-to punctuation mark. For example, instead of writing, from page 10 to page 20 inches, you could simplify it using the N dash, pages 10 to 20. The same rule applies to years, scores, and time. 1980 to 1990, score, 20 to 30, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's that simple. A useful tip when typing the N dash on a standard keyboard is to use the minus key while holding down the Alt key. Remember, the N dash should not be confused with the hyphen or the M dash, both of which have different uses in English writing. While the N dash is typically used without spaces on either side, some style guides recommend using spaces when the N dash is used in place of words like to or through. Always ensure to follow the specific style guide in your context. And that's a wrap on our discussion about using the N dash to indicate ranges. It's a simple and effective tool to simplify your writing and make it clearer. The next time you find yourself writing a range of numbers, dates, or time, remember to use the handy N dash. We hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and soon enough, using the N dash will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.